welcome back. All right, let's get into this hair, y'all. So I don't know if you guys know, but back here in the back of my hair, it's definitely some 4C hair going on all the way till you get right here, and then it kind of goes into like 4B, 4A, and then like 3A. So it's kind of like back here, it's like, I love these curls though, like I love them. So we're gonna get into so I've been ready to try this product for so long. We're gonna see, does it work on 4C hair? Because let me just show y'all, because this is not, hold on, it's just really not, it's really no jokes, like for real, this is no joke. So we're gonna see. I hope y'all can help me. I hope. So the ones that I got on there, when you go on, they have you take like a little survey to see like what kind of product you need for your hair. So I have one for dull hair. Then I have one for damaged hair. And then I also have one for dry hair. Now, will I need all of these? I'm not really sure, to be honest. We're gonna see. So if you read the back of the product, it says, be proud of your hair, how to use, and then at the bottom it tells you, do not eat this. This is not food. This is not food. Fish are friends, not food. What movie? Oh, Nemo. Friends are, fish are friends, not food. Alright, I'm just kidding. But so we're gonna get started. We're gonna get started. We're gonna take this out of my hair. That's what we're gonna do. Alright, so we're gonna see 4C hair or no. 4C hair or no. Photo. Alright, y'all, be back.
Collection with platform lid. Inviting appearances in a new shape. Designed to add the perfect finishing touch to your
Okay, 4C hair push for Rue. Yes. Okay, got little kinky bears in the back now. Let me get some more of this back there. Let's continue. realizing that you don't really need as much. The first time I kind of took a lot out. I'm kind of used to having to use a lot of product because of my hair. But with this, I put half of that back. This is how much I'm actually going to use. It didn't really seem like it needs that much. I just don't understand. What is in it? What the? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna have to look and see something real quick. It's so soft. So I'm done putting everything in my hair, and this is what I noticed. My curls is popping. Popping, y'all. Popping. So I can just imagine what it's gonna be like when I wash it out in 40 minutes. Be back. So guys, I just wanted to come show you. I literally just got done. I'm like still dripping water. But I just wanted to show you guys. I haven't done anything to my hair. I have not combed it out. I have not finger detangled it. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you already know after washing my hair, this is not the outcome. This is not the outcome. Trust me, it's not it at all. This is amazing. Let's get in there. Never looked like this. Never. I was kind of skeptical when I was rinsing it out, but then for me not to have detangled my hair and to have gotten out of the water and it be this subtle and still holding this moisture, and how soft it is. 4A, B, C approved. Definitely. I'm amazed. I'm like, look at this. It's like you think you could really show the camera how soft it feels through showing how it looks, but you really can't. Good job. Good job. Ooh. I'm gonna do a twist out on this while it's in an amazing state. This is a good wash and go actually too. I'm surprised.